Hello and welcome to Sheet Leveler. My name's Hannah. In today's tutorial, we'll learn how to create a line graph with multiple lines in Excel. Whether you're working with just 2 lines or need to add and remove lines to get exactly what you want, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, let's create a basic line graph with 2 lines. Here's what to do. Select your data. Highlight the data you want to show on the graph. For this example, we'll use John's and Lucy's monthly sales figures. Insert the graph. Go to the Insert tab. Look for the Charts section and click Insert Line or Area Chart. Choose the Simple Line Graph, the first option. Just like that, Excel will insert a line graph into your spreadsheet. You can drag the graph to adjust its position if needed. Step 2. Add another line to the graph. Want to add a third line? Let's say we want to include Jane's sales. Access Data Options. Right-click anywhere inside the graph and select Select Data. A window will pop up showing the current data series, in this case, John and Lucy. Add the new data. Click the Add button. In the new window, name the data series, type Jane in the first box. Click the small arrow next to series values to define the range of data for Jane's sales. Highlight the appropriate cells in your spreadsheet, press Enter and click OK. When you return to the main window, you'll see Jane's data added to the list. Click OK again, and the third line will appear on your graph. You can repeat this process to add as many lines as you need. Not every line needs to be displayed all the time. If you want to temporarily hide a line, right-click in the graph and select Select Data. Untick the box next to the data series you want to hide, e.g., John's sales. Click OK, and John's line will disappear from the graph. To show the line again, follow the same steps and tick the box. Simple as that. Step 4. Edit or remove lines. If you need to tweak or completely remove a line, here's how. Right-click on the graph and go to Select Data. Select the data series you want to edit, e.g., Jane, and click Edit. You can change the series name or adjust the range of data for the series. In the same Select Data window, select the series you want to remove and click Remove. This permanently removes the line from the graph, so only use this if you're sure you don't need it anymore. Click OK when you're done, and your changes will be applied. Let's make the graph look just the way you want. Move the graph. Click on the graph area, the blank space, and drag it to a new position on the sheet. Resize the graph. Use the small circles on the corners of the graph to adjust its size. Just click and drag. Rename the graph. Double-click on the chart title, type a new name, and press Enter. Want to give your graph a fresh look? Click anywhere in the blank space of the graph area. Go to the Chart Design tab. Use the Change Colors button to pick a new color palette. To change the graph style, click the drop-down arrow in the Chart Styles section and choose a style that suits your needs. One of the best things about Excel graphs is that they're dynamic. This means if you update your data, the graph updates automatically. For example, if we change this person's February sales to 56, you'll see the change reflected in the graph immediately. And that's it. You now know how to create a line graph with multiple lines, add or remove lines, and customize the graph to fit your needs. If you'd like to learn how to create other chart types or dive deeper into customizing charts, check out our other tutorials. You'll find links in the description below.